For your fleet-based business, your vehicles are a lifeline. Keeping them on the road, making deliveries, arriving at service calls, rushing to customer emergencies is the difference between growing your business and closing your business. Yet so many businesses take their fleets for granted. It's time to do right by your vehicles. It's time to get Linxup GPS. Linxup GPS makes everything that happens with your vehicles not just transparent, but actionable. You'll know where each vehicle is, how your employees are driving, when maintenance is due, and so much more. Set up geofences to get alerts when vehicles move after hours or out of designated areas. Worried about rising fuel costs? See how often your vehicles are left idling or when drivers are speeding, and start maximizing your fuel use immediately. When a customer calls with an emergency, you'll know instantly which crew is closest to that location to get there fast and first. Optimize delivery routes to keep customers happy and earn repeat business and referrals. Driver scorecards let you know which team members need coaching to improve their driver safety. Let your insurance carrier know how safe your drivers are and that your vehicles are protected against theft, and watch your rates decrease. With Linxup GPS, your vehicles aren't just a lifeline. They're smart machines with data that helps you grow and improve your business. With plug-and-go or more discreetly wired options and free mobile apps to stay in the know from anywhere, Linxup GPS is the solution you need.